So we were recently inspected by Estin, and it was a very large and complex inspection. It was a very supportive experience. We had really good regular dialogue with the reporting inspector, and that helped us to understand clearly what Estin expected of us as an organisation, and it enabled us to prepare staff for what they would be experiencing during the inspection and to allay any concerns that they may have had. They really enjoyed the fact that the team that came were a mixture of Estin inspectors who were experienced in FE and also peer inspectors from other FE institutions across Wales. As nominee for the inspection, there was extra work for the planning team because we needed to ensure that we could provide Estin with a plan that showed for the 2 weeks of the inspection. We did shoulder that work though because it was very important to us that teachers and support staff were able to focus on what was important, which is the learner experience and the progress. This is the 5th inspection of my career, and it was a refreshing change because I definitely saw a shift where the focus now is on the teaching and learning and the professional dialogue. The inspection was really useful for us because it enabled us to sense check and validate our own self-assessment of where we think we're at as an organisation.